Hello everyone, Revit 2027 is finally released. So here on Revit 2027, let's open a brand new project. And here I'm gonna check the new feature of Autodesk Assistant. So here, in addition to properties and project browsers panel, now we have Autodesk Assistant. It's an AI feature. To make it visible, go to view tab and you can check it from user interface, and you can move it wherever you want, like the property and project browser. So now here I'm gonna do a simple task. I'm going to go to elevations and create multiple levels here. So here I have levels, and the difference between each level is 3.6 meter. Now I want an assistance to make it 4 meter difference. So type here, set the level difference 4 meter. So now I've got this one. It's insane.